Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and add link to your Snapchat story. But before we start our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, let's go ahead and open our Snapchat and just for example I will tap on this created a story, right? So what I will do is you will see this icons over here. So what you will do, simply go ahead, tap on this pin icon, this full document pin icon. Now simply go ahead, paste the link. So for example, this is the link, right? Tap on that link right here, tap on attach to snap, and as you can see, this link will gonna look like that. So then what you can do is you can go ahead and paste this link wherever you would like to. Once you're done, simply go ahead, tap on this next. You can share this to your stories right here, or you can send the story personalized to somebody. So yes guys, this is the way, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.